In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate daily tax data processing with an AI-powered workflow. We'll start at the very top of the automation with a schedule trigger. This trigger runs every day at 9 a.m. and serves as the entry point for the entire workflow. By putting the workflow on a consistent schedule, you eliminate manual starts and ensure your tax data is processed the same way every single day. Just make sure the time zone settings match your organization's needs so it fires exactly when you expect. Next comes workflow configuration. This is where you set the essential parameters that the rest of the pipeline relies on. The URL where expense receipts are fetched, the URL for revenue data, and the email address that will receive the final report. Centralizing these settings keeps the workflow flexible. If an endpoint changes or your reporting recipient updates, you only modify it here rather than in multiple places. With configuration in place, the workflow fetches expense receipts from the configured API. It supports PDFs and other file formats, pulling in the raw materials for analysis. Immediately after, it fetches the revenue data from its API, collecting records for all relevant periods so you get a complete picture to match against expenses. Having both data sources ensures downstream calculations are accurate. Now we extract receipt data. The system parses each file and converts it into structured fields, like date, amount, and merchant. This step is crucial for consistency, especially when receipts come in different layouts. Clear, structured data makes the next steps far more reliable. The merged dataset is created by aligning receipts with the correct revenue periods. This prepares the inputs for the AI components, making sure everything is in the right place and time frame before matching begins. The receipt matching agent then uses AI to pair receipts to their corresponding revenue periods, producing structured matches along with confidence levels. Review low-confidence items as needed to maintain quality. Next, the deduction category extraction agent determines whether each expense is deductible, assigns the appropriate category, such as travel, meals, or office supplies, and calculates the deductible amount based on tax rules you've defined. With categories assigned, the workflow calculates tax deductions, grouping them by revenue period, totaling each period's deductions, and producing a grand total. This generates clean, structured numbers ready for reporting. The report generation agent analyzes revenue and deductions, computes net taxable income per period, and creates a detailed report with breakdowns and summary statistics for clarity. Finally, the workflow prepares the email packet, setting a clear subject and body, attaching the structured report, and using the configured recipient, then sends it directly to your tax agent for timely review and submission.